Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. Now we're going to talk about something, not any particular crypto, but Coinbase. And the stock is way down. It did go way up after the BlackRock partnership, but now it's coming down again. And the question is it good to buy right now? And we're going to actually take a look at this. If you look at the 1 year, Coinbase stock started at 353, then came all the way down to about 50 something, and then now it's at 84. It did pump to about 93 after the BlackRock partnership, and now it's at 84 now. I think it's going to go down for a little while, despite the fact that I do think crypto is going to have a little bit of a rebound. And the thing is, I would say it's a smart thing to pick up some Coinbase stock right now. But I can't do that right now because for most crypto stocks, I actually think it's a pretty good time to buy because I do believe the market has bottomed and I do believe the market is in for a rebound sooner or later. So I think you're picking it up at a very low price. But that's not true for me for Coinbase, and it's because of all the SEC trouble that they're actually having. They were already in hot water with the SEC for some of their coin offerings. Coinbase and the SEC were trading blows back and forth, with the SEC saying that some of the coins they listed are securities, and Coinbase saying that they had approval and what they listed were not securities. And now they're actually in trouble for some of their yield staking products. So because of the legal issues and because Binance and FTX is generally kicking their ass, I would actually hold back on Coinbase. Maybe if they fell below $50 again, I would consider picking them up. But right now, I do actually believe just buying BNB or FTX is a better option. And the thing about Coinbase is the majority in the United States. Most of their business is in the United States, and that actually hampers them right now because the SEC, for the most part, generally has power in the United States. They don't really have power anywhere else. So even if they go after Binance.us, Binance itself should not be affected all that much because the vast majority of Binance's business is outside of the United States. Same thing with FTX. Neither of those are actually based in the US like Coinbase is. And they have to deal with more regulations. And how Gary Gensler and the SEC are, they look at Coinbase as a big target that they can actually siphon a lot of money from, so they're not really going to give this up. Plus, it's a conduit to other cryptos because if they can successfully say that we are suing Coinbase because they're listing securities, then by relation, all those things that Coinbase have listed are actually securities. So Coinbase is just a big, giant target for regulatory matters. And even though they've dumped, 80%, I still don't think it's a good idea to pick up any Coinbase stock right now because of the regulatory troubles. And the SEC it's like a vampire bat. They're going to keep on sucking Coinbase until they suck it dry because it is a huge pile of money for them. So that's what I think right now. I mean, it's unfortunate for Coinbase, but I can't really tell anyone to buy it right now. And even though it's so down, and that's really because the troubles with the SEC, and I don't think they're going to stop unless Congress steps in, which is somewhat unlikely. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think, like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.